Okay. We keep hearing that AI is going to take everybody's job. Well, here we want to talk about that. That's not the case for technician. That's going to be, long gone, long ways out before that happen. Yes, AI, artificial intelligence, is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. We want to come here and encourage all technicians to use it to your best advantage. And it's a tool. It's a tool. Yes, it can give you data. Yes, it can predict, maybe a engine parts failure. Yes, it can predict various things that may need, excuse me, that needs to be done on a vehicle. But what it cannot do is take your experience, your industry knowledge on various makes and models. I mean, that could just be, a vibration of, the car. It could be a smell that you smell. It could be, a variety of things that computer like AI cannot do. Okay. What you do as the expert is, the mechanics of various makes and models and vehicles, right? Certain things, what can happen based on the repair prior to AI. So your human experience, your human knowledge, of what you do underneath the hood of the car is not replaceable. There is no algorithm out there that can replace common sense. Okay, and just real world experiences. So all the OEM technicians, to also my independent shop technicians, I want y'all to use it as a tool. Work smarter, not harder. Yes, it can help you diagnose a vehicle faster, right? Use that to your advantage. Use your common sense in when you are, diagnosing that vehicle. Okay. It is not going to replace you. We need your human touch. We need your human experience to get these vehicles repaired quickly and properly. So use AI as a tool. Okay. It is a tool for you. Use it now so you can start getting in the habit of using it in your day-to-day wrenching and working lives. Okay. And we want to celebrate you here, technicians, for being adaptable. You have all the years of experience. You are developing years of experience, even those new techs. Use AI to your advantage. Your job is not on the line. Okay. Us as customers need your human expertise. We need you to be able to talk through where the repair is. AI cannot do that. All right. Talk through where the repair is to a customer. Okay. That human experience, to me, is the real currency. And I just want to cheers to all the technicians that are learning and adapting while they are using AI. Your job is, the more that you can combine the two of AI and your experience, you're going to go ahead and just keep this industry moving in full throttle in the right way. And so we need you. Okay. So I just wanted to send a word of some wisdom, to encourage, you technicians to use AI as a tool. Develop yourself, okay, in a different way. Use your current skill set. All right. And we'll be able to work together. So join the conversation with us here at Smarter Way to Apply, powered by Jess Recruiting. Let's use AI as a tool. Okay. But we also need you as well. So I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your day. Cheers to all you do, and you have a great day.